What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to our little staycation this weekend. We kind of said that we were doing this a while back, and we've been saying it a lot, that when Galaxy's Edge was opening, or announced that it was going to open, we were like, let's just get a room, we'll stay on property for opening weekend so that we can try to get in and use extra magic hours.
Yes.
So we just wanted to get something that was cheap, a place where we could just lay our head at night and relax if we wanted to, so we got All-Star Movies. And what's really nice is that we have got a remodeled room here at All-Star Movies.
So we are actually in the Love Bug section on the first floor, which is really nice. I love to have a first floor room because it's just easier to access. But something that's really different in this room compared to anywhere we've ever stayed before, this is a double bed room, but one of the beds is actually folded up into the wall and it's part of the table. So it actually pulls down at night. So when it's up, it gives you all this extra space, which is really nice. It doesn't feel super crowded in here right now. And then at bedtime, you can pull down the second one. You're all set to go.
Let's try it. So one thing that's really cool is that with these new pull-down beds, they give you a little diagram, because I was literally sitting here for like 2 minutes like, this isn't working. I think it's broken. Well, guess what? Lo and behold, they've got some instructions, and I was doing it completely wrong. So it's really easy. You're gonna move everything. If you've got anything on the table, you're gonna remove it. I don't know what to do with these chairs. I guess maybe these chairs go over here. A little empty space for those. God, I hope I don't break this. But it looks like it's really simple. You just do this. Look at that! That's awesome.
So cool.
And it's like it's a real bed. It's not like a like a pull out or anything like that. It's a bed.
So we are leaving the All-Star Movies. We're all settled in the room, and we are heading out
Disney World from here
to another Disney resort. Our friends Josh and Hannah are with us. They haven't ever been where we're going tonight, so we're gonna leave it as a surprise. Hello. But we have an Uber picking us up, so we don't have to drive later. So we have made it into the lounge. There's basically nobody in here except for the four of us and one other guest. So this is very nice so far. Normally it's like a mad rush at the beginning. Everybody comes in here and then right before fireworks more people will come, but there's nobody here yet, so it's the only thing I will thank Hurricane Dorian for. That's it. So we did order some drinks, and we got the Seven Seas Lagoon cocktail. It is Sky Vodka, Parrot Bay Coconut Rum, Agave, Lime, Pineapple, Strawberry Apple Boba, and Swedish Fish. It also has some peach rings that are kind of like rafts on the top, and then it has the Swedish Fish on the bottom because, you know, it's a lagoon.
So I chose to get the very elusive, crisp, hard apple cider made by the one and only Angry Orchard from Cincinnati, Ohio. Oh, wow. Extremely crisp. It's wonderful. I love it. It's almost like apple juice. It's so good. That's good. So Taylor and Hannah are still finishing their Seven Seas Lagoon shared cocktail, and I decided to get one for myself. Even though there's 3 other straws in there, it's really just for me. Got a boba ball in there. All right, so up here at Top of the World Lounge, you can actually go out and do like look out over Magic Kingdom, but what a lot of people don't know is you can actually go out back and overlook Seven Seas Lagoon. Or Bay Lake, I guess, whichever one it is. Oh, we're fogging up because we're so cold.
So we are having the top of the world 7-layer cake, and then we are gonna go outside and watch the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party fireworks, which are the not so spooky spectacular. Pretty sure that's what it's called.
Something like that.
It's the new fireworks show from the Top of the World Lounge, so I'm really excited to be able to watch it from up here and see it from like a whole different perspective. I really liked the fireworks show from in the Magic Kingdom during the party, so I'm like really excited to see it from up here.
Resort TV 1 just showed up here.
Hey guys,
We're going to watch the Halloween fireworks, which are going to be great.
this is my second time seeing it from this vantage point.
From
It's
here?
going to be amazing. Well, second time seeing it total, first time from this vantage point.
Okay, yeah, because this is going to be our first time as well, so I'm excited. That should be cool.
And the music is really strong here, so that'll be good.
Is one for both the young and the old. Unlike anything you have seen. Get ready for this is Halloween.
Bye, guys.
Nice to see you guys.
Wow, that's amazing, right?
Shout out. Tell people where they can find you.
You can find us on all the things at Brandy and Dave.
Yes.
All of them.
We were on Brandy and Dave's podcast, the Disfluencers podcast. So make sure you check that out.